This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. This 3/5 bedroom home built in 2003 has an open floor plan, located close to WU and used as a student rental, has a large living room that is open to the kitchen that has an attached dining with walkout to a patio area. Also on the main level are 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The lower level has 2 other rooms that could be bedrooms, another living area, and laundry room. This home is nicely finished with laminate floors and ceiling fans, and nice yard. Would make a great family home and affordable. For more information, review the details below.